Assalamu alaikum everyone. Many of you are getting confused about structure and function of heart. Let me explain you in a short video. Okay. So this is the structure of heart. You must and should have to practice this diagram. It is very important. Okay. So what is the main function of heart? The main function of heart is to pump the blood, oxygenated as well as deoxygenated blood. That only you have to note down. The heart pumps the blood, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and heart maintains the blood pressure that we call in short form as BP. Blood pressure it maintains, and it is a muscular organ because it is made up of muscles and cardiac tissues. Understood? So let me explain you about the main function of heart, how it works. So the first, oxygenated blood which comes from lungs, that oxygenated blood comes and enters to pulmonary veins. Okay, heart is made up of four chambers. See here, left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle, and these are pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins, vena cava, upper side vena cava, lower side vena cava. Okay, so what happens is when blood comes from lungs, enters to the pulmonary vein, first it enters here, from here that comes to the left atrium. See this light shaded part, that blood comes down, this left atrium pushes that blood, and that blood comes down to the left ventricle. From left atrium it goes to left ventricle. This only you have to write it. And then again from left ventricle that oxygenated blood moves to the whole parts of our body. Understood? Body as well as the organs of our body. And then with the help of vena cava, see here vena cava, with the help of vena cava again that blood enters to the right atrium. With the help of vena cava that blood enter to the right atrium. First the blood enters from the north part only, upper part only. Understood? You must and should have to keep in mind, the blood first enters at the upper part only. From here it enters to the right atrium. From right atrium that blood moves to the right ventricle, down part. Understood? From right ventricle what happens, that blood, the deoxygenated blood again moves out with the help of, again see this arrow mark,